Hello everyone, I am Sambita. Welcome back to another episode of the MailXaminer 5.0 tech series. Previously, I had discussed the functions of the cases tab, that is, how you can create or delete a case, how you can make changes to the evidence settings, etc. If you are new to this channel, please check the description box below to find the related videos of this tech series. So today, let's start our video by discussing another tab called the Profile tab. To locate this tab, first of all, you have to be on the home screen of the application. If you are on any case page, you can click on the home icon to return to the home screen. There, you will see the Profile tab on the left panel. Let's explore this tab in detail. When you click on the Profile tab, you will see two sections. One is basic information and the other is account security. In the basic information section, you will see the first name as administrator by default. Along with that, you will see the last name and email address fields. You can edit these fields by clicking on the edit option present in the top right corner of the screen. Here you can also see the default roles assigned, cases created, and devices assigned to the user. These fields are not editable. However, you can edit them in the Users tab. For more information regarding how you can assign more roles and new devices to the user, you can check our separate video which is dedicated to the Users tab. Next comes the Account Security section. Let me tell you one thing. By default, both the username and password is set to administrator. So you can reset the username and password as per your choice. That's all for today. I will meet you in the next video with some new features of this professional email forensics tool MailXaminer 5.0. Till then, bye bye and be cyber safe.